The Proline XE Voltex series offers water heaters with either a 50, 66, or 80-gallon tank. The unit has 4 operating modes for flexibility in matching the hot water needs of the family as they change. The unit also has a user-friendly LCD display that allows for control and adjustments as well as built-in Wi-Fi control with the A.O. Smith smartphone app. The water heaters have a smart anode that protects the tank from corrosion and notifies you when it needs replaced as well as smart leak detection. The Proline XE Voltex series models are only available through their authorized dealer network, while the Signature 900 series units which have the same features are available at Lowe's home improvement stores. The brand uses basic glass-lined tank technology, but they are backed by a very good warranty from a leader in the hot water industry. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.